Hi everyone, especially to my two new subscribers. I don't know, I cannot keep track anymore who's new and who's old subscribers. But thanks for subscribing. I would like to discuss today about Facebook. My opinion about Facebook. Well, now it looks like Facebook is like a blog where they put timeline on it where when you started to use Facebook and then yearly. It's like when you started to use Facebook, that's the time you were born in Facebook. Well, almost everyone is like have an account regardless of the age, regardless of the gender, whatever. They all have accounts. Sometimes even the newborn baby have an account already, even though she doesn't know how to type or doesn't know how to type yet, but their parents created an account for them. So it's good that you just newborn and then you already have an account, or just a toddler and you already have an account. So that's a good training. Just kidding. Well, what do I like about Facebook are, of course, it's a good social media. It's good in communicating with other people outside of the world, or for example, I'm from the Philippines, so from Philippines I could communicate even though I live in Denmark. So it's a cool thing. It's just like your neighbor is just close. I mean, Philippines is just close because of Facebook. You could communicate anytime with your loved ones, even though they're far away from you. So that's a good thing. What else is good about Facebook? Well, it's a good commercial. It's good for business because almost everyone who's having a business have a Facebook page. So it's like they have their own website, but still they promote, oh, you could like me on page, you could like me on Facebook. It's like all big companies, from big to small companies, they all have Facebook page nowadays. And what else good about what are yeah the benefits or good thing about Facebook is you could invite friends to your events, or you could share ideas. And almost all people nowadays don't read newspaper and they don't watch TV because everything are on Facebook. Yay! It's like sometimes if it's snowing outside, you don't need to go out or you don't need to look at the window because people from Facebook will say, "Oh, it's snowing outside," or "It's raining," "Oh, it's stormy." So it's like you don't need to watch TV to know the weather forecast. You just need to open your Facebook and then all are there. Something like that. So those are the good um, benefits, or yeah, the advantage of having a Facebook account. So Mark should pay me because I'm promoting Facebook. No, just kidding. What else about Facebook? It's also good way of networking. For example, you're searching for a job, then you could see people, oh, they're working in the IT industry, so you could like ask them about, oh, I'm searching for a job. Does your company have a job for me? Something like that. So it's a good way of networking. Um, it's also, I like in Facebook where I could see a lot of food when they post photos of food. It made me like, oh, I want to cook, or I want to eat. So it's like it's a good appetizer just by seeing the photos. And what else? What else is good about Facebook? Well, of course, you will gain friends from Facebook. Sometimes people you don't know, or you just met, or people you knew from the past, or something like that. So it's a good way. It's a good that's a good one good benefit of having Facebook. How about the disadvantages or the bad effect of Facebook in people's life? I think what I don't like to see in Facebook are people's when people are like, for example, sad, or something happened to them, or sometimes I also don't like to read those, like they're having fight in Facebook, what that everyone could read. It's like, oh gosh, could you just talk, instead of putting it online or putting it in Facebook, something like that. And I disadvantages also, sometimes you feel like you don't have privacy anymore because people could see a lot of you, and then it's like, it's a big gossip world. It's like everyone sees what you said, or see your picture, and then, you know even though those who's not your friend on Facebook, they would be able to share it with others, something like that. And what else I don't like in Facebook? I don't like in Facebook because people are so addicted to it that they're forgetting their real life, It's like they spend so much time of it that they spend less time. The more they spend time on Facebook, the less time they use time with their loved ones. If they have a kids, or if they have loved ones, or if they have partner, or if they have husband. I also don't like if through Facebook, relationships are being destroyed by Facebook. For example, the guy is cheating through Facebook, or the girl is, find someone else through Facebook, something like that. So those are the disadvantages of having Facebook. So I think it has a both advantage and disadvantages. Depends on the person who's owning the account. How would you utilize the Facebook? If you're going to utilize it in a good way and in a secure way, the way you wanted it, then it's okay. And as long as you know how to balance your time between Facebook and your real life, then it's okay also. So you could add me in Facebook. No. Okay. Bye bye.